to make a bench out of cinder blocks and some wood. I'm about to do a little painting. Catch my drift, guys. Step by step. Got my paint, guys. Kind of paint you need to paint the cinder blocks. And again, I am making okay, I have painted 10 out of the 12. All sides except for the bottom, so I will tackle the bottom tomorrow. All 12 cinder blocks have been painted. The bottom, again, I will get tomorrow. This is the part you sit on. Day 2, and I am going to have to put another coat on the cinder blocks. Stacking it up, and then I'm going to do another layer of paint, just in case. This is 1/2 of the bench, guys. Here's the finished product. Now I am going to add all my little finishing and show you guys a picture. Now don't look at my little bootleg pillow that I made. But this is it. And look.